Welcome to ABR Market Watch, your premier destination for daily market insights. Dive into the dynamic world of finance with us. Subscribe now to stay ahead of the curve and unravel the intricacies of global markets together. As the second quarter of this year winds down, investors are displaying increased optimism towards emerging markets, according to HSBC analysts. This confidence, tempered with a touch of apprehension, is reminiscent of levels last seen in 2023. Investors managing $414 billion in assets under management have shown a particularly keen interest in Latin America and its attractive local currency bonds, especially Brazilian credit. As central banks lower interest rates across the region, these bonds present an appealing opportunity. Moving beyond Latin America, Africa has experienced a significant improvement in sentiment as investors see potential in lucrative local currency debt due to easing inflation pressures and the possibility of further rate cuts by regional central banks. Currencies like Zambia's kwacha and Ghana's cedi have already appreciated substantially this year, reflecting these turnaround efforts. On the equity front, Asian markets are leading the charge, with China and Korea standing out. Chinese stocks, specifically the Hang Seng Index, have been bolstered by optimism surrounding fresh fiscal stimulus and favorable sentiments towards domestic technology companies. Korean equities have also seen a boost due to newly elected President Lee Jae-myung's stimulus plans. However, this optimism is guarded as markets prepare for potential economic fallout from ongoing global trade uncertainty. The Middle East tensions have eased following a ceasefire between Israel and Iran, which has positively impacted global stock markets, including India's benchmark indexes. The Nifty 50 and Sensex are inching closer to their 9-month highs, but profits booking on Tuesday saw them fall short of achieving this milestone. The tensions had previously pushed oil prices higher, which is concerning for a country like India that heavily relies on oil imports. On the domestic front, Tata Motors has flagged US tariffs as a near-term challenge that may impact margins for its subsidiary Jaguar Land Rover. Meanwhile, Hindalco Industries is set to acquire a US-based specialty alumina manufacturer for $125 million. In the coming days, investors will be keeping a close eye on the launch of HDB Financial Services' $1.5 billion initial public offer, the largest so far this year in India. This offering follows foreign portfolio investors selling Indian shares worth over $600 million on Tuesday.